National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 11:45 a.m. At 10:48 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Western Springs to Frankfort to near Lakewood Shores, moving east at 50 miles per hour. These are destructive storms producing measured wind gusts of 80 to over 90 miles per hour. Hazard, 90 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bourbonnais, Manteno, and Peotone around 10:55 a.m. Bradley around 11 a.m. Hammond, Schererville, Lansing, Munster, Dyer, St. John, Linwood, and Beecher around 11:05 a.m. Gary, East Chicago, Highland, Cedar Lake, Moments, Griffith, Whiting, and Grant Park around 11:10 a.m. Merrillville, Crown Point, and Lake Dalecarli around 11:15 a.m. Hobart, Lowell, Lake Station, Winfield, and New Chicago around 11:20 a.m. Portage, Lake Village, and Lakes of the Four Seasons around 11:25 a.m. Roselawn and Shelby around 11:30 a.m. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is an extremely dangerous situation. The tornado